When I ask people about their favourite productivity tip, I get some really interesting responses. I believe productivity starts even before we touch technology. It starts in our head every day and every time we reset after an interruption, a break or a meeting. And we can't be productive if we aren't able to apply ourselves mentally. I'm a big believer in meditation for productivity or quiet time if you prefer that sort of language. When I first started meditating, I got angry at myself. My mind wouldn't stop chattering. I gave up on it several times, but after attending a yoga class and doing some meditation at the end, I was hooked. I recognize some days my meditation isn't as effective as others. Some days my mind is chattering, but now most days I find myself coming out of the meditation feeling ready to start the day or recharged if a meeting or activity has been a little bit stressful. I have a 10-minute meditation I do every morning without fail. It's part of my morning habits. I know that when I don't do it, which is pretty rare now, I don't feel as calm or as grounded as I normally would. If you've not tried meditation before, I encourage you to leave your judgment of yourself and all the process at the door and give it a try. Below is a link to a great article with more detail on its impact on productivity and gaining clarity, and a link to some downloadable meditations from Headspace. Do you meditate? If you don't, I encourage you to even give it a try, even if it's just for this week. You might be surprised at the increased productivity and clarity you get from just clearing your head.